Hi everybody, I thought I would try something new that no one's ever done before. I thought I would videotape the opening of a box for a new product that I got. So what I have here actually is the new clear ice system from Wintersmiths. It was a Kickstarter project that, like many, took a little bit longer to come to fruition, but I certainly hope that it will be as awesome as I thought it was when my wife gave it to me. Let's take a look at it, shall we? Okay, so the box is heavier than I expected it to be. Let us see what we've got. Opens up, product mess, and the invoice where I got the Phantom Ice Maker, and then I got all the different trays. I received all the different trays that they provide for you. Here is the quick start guide. Wash all parts with soap and water by hand, and watch the accompanying videos. I will put the link to the accompanying videos in the comments. Let's see, the box itself is pretty cool looking inside here. Has another, I guess, a Wintersmiths sticker, so you can put that on something, I suppose. And like I said, it is heavy. So we have the main box and the additional trays. So we will set that box aside, and we have, to begin with, this box right here, which has one of the trays that is in use. This is the spherical tray. I'm working under that assumption anyway. And then this is stainless steel insulated container. This will hold all the rest of the water so that with directional freezing, you'll be able to get the clear ice if everything works right. It's got a nice no-slip bottom. Seems cool. So let's put that over there. As I said, these are quite heavy. This is the spheres. There it does 7 ice spheres. This gray one here, I believe, is what is this one? This is the small cubes. This one does, let's see, 16 small cubes. And let's see, next, this is probably the Collins tray. Yes, this makes 4 rectangular solids with these little leftover wedges on the side. And last but not least is the large cube tray, which does 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 large cubes, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spheres, triangles. Looks like there is some kind of more like diamond shapes of some kind. They certainly seem to be wanting to make sure they use all the available space with each of these molds, and as I understand it, they're going to be making more of these molds. So, okay, that is the unboxing. Those are the components. Next up, I'm going to take a quick look at the video, although I'm pretty sure I know what I need to do, and then I'll be back and show you filling the thing up and see where we go from there.